Get him.
Dude just doesn't give a shit.
Yeah, dude's ready to fuck him up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Dude sees it. Dude's right in front of you. Dude, are you kidding?
What's the date today?
July 9th.
Okay, so we got a month and 3 days till touring.
Thick.
That should be plenty of time.
There should be plenty of time to turn this into a fucking silver
To
car.
finish this car.
To a cheaper spec fucking car.
Yeah. We gotta figure out how to make aero.
I'm gonna.
You gotta get those coilovers made too.
Look at those.
Oh shit.
That was
porn.
That's a performance exhaust right there.
That was a...
Well porn.
Yeah.
How many beers did you have before that one?
Was there any beers?
No.
There was 0 beers.
Oh, that's pretty good then.
I love this little guy, man. He's such a chiller.
Okay, so Adam introduced us into the room. Now, right here, we got some display news for y'all. We got these Mark 1s, 14x9, -26. And right here, we got Drake's Long Champs, 14x7.5 plus 7. Right here, we got the Star Treks that be going in the rear, my Cressida, 14x8, -14. And then here we got some meshes, 14x8, 0.
Yeehaw.
So this is where the magic happens. A lot of butt sex in here with the boys.
We got the boys.
Sean is one of the boys. He actually is the most boy.
Dude, Blade 2? Dude, this is the best one out of all of them.
The fucking bendy uppy pipes.
I hear it's the best one in the Lower Mainland.
Dude, it's the best, especially between Mission and Abbotsford. There's like a tough competition, but I don't know. That guy's bald. I got hair, so. So in the back, got the Mark 3s with the fucking bedazzles right here.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Motherfucking S13B wave wing.
Yeah. Okay, it's going away now.
It's nice. It's good.
The way you came out.
Talking about what's going down.
I see you. Yeah, I'm a professional painter.
I didn't do any of it.
Yeah, Reed was sanding.
I was swearing and sanding and spreading Bondo.
Oh,
Dude, look at you.
he's so cute.
He's a star.
YouTube
Yes.
loves, dude.
They really
He's
do.
so famous.
You should do.
Finish! Finish! Yeah! Yeah! Finish! Finish! It's a money shot. I go by Pretty Milk. I got an X3 Cressida. What's up, bitches? It's Chad Warden. We're gonna talk about the PS Triple. The PS Triple. Man, fools not here to talk about that weed. That shit fucking control like a dildo. Man, you ain't gonna pull no bitches with the fucking dildo. Man, I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna get bitches with the caddy. I'm gonna say, what's up, bitches? Look at this PS Triple.
She's so dirty, it's insane. She's like usually very white.
Oh, I'm dirty as well, so it's
And
okay.
hanging under car.
Sorry,
First
say
one
that
was
again?
110.
First one was 110.
Okay. All right.
My home.
Only a couple minutes late.
No? Yeah. You just been waiting for me to show you around? Yeah.
So,
No, dude. Someone said it looks like a church bell.
Yeah, also that.
Yeah, so these are the first wheels I've redone for like somebody else. That's not me.
Walter White.
TMZ, what are you hoping to see at Summer Touring?
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely
Just
nothing.
complete and utter blindness.
Yes.
Yo, is that a Bonzo?
We can arrange it.
Sure.
Fucking right it
Where'd
is.
you get that?
And we're just like, dude, what the fuck, dude? You just get.
Again, there's like, you know.
Besides you.
Nelson joined the tent.
We're fighting already. It's gonna be sweaty in there. I'm gonna kill myself.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
It's gonna be such a mess.
I'm over it.
Everyone
Shelby
has a
Cobra, best car here.
Shelby fucking Cobra, man. If you see there's a red Honda Civic EM2. Gorgeous.
Shit.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I'm taping ya.
Cut it out, dildo. Stop.
I'm videotaping ya.
Stop.
Gut runners.
Oh.
Trying to cut us off for sure. What's up? Checkpoint.jp.
Oh yeah.
So bitches,
Purple's fuck, man.
it's Tad. It's pretty milk. So bitches, it's pretty milk. VQs ain't shit to me. I wipe my ass with a VQ.
$600 ain't shit to this guy.
We talk about the Mark Triple. The Mark Triple.
The PS. Hey guys, it's Cody now. And pull your.
Are you just taking the best photos of Keegan Lathwaite?
I gotta get one of her feet.
Oh, you can sell those.
Yeah.
There's a market for that.
Car girl.
Stan.
Yeah, I know a
Why are you
buyer
gonna ruin
here.
it every time?
Let's drop Nelson. Now we'll do a silly one. Throw him in the air.
Taking a picture or video.
Video. You guys look so serious.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure it's like just a Photoshop.
It's only halfway done. It's not even halfway done. We're still going back.
I know, it's gonna be sick.
I just ordered 10 pizzas and 48 beers.
10 pizzas?
Grab the light.
Sick. Do your neighbors know everyone's coming home?
I warned one of my neighbors.
Cool. That's all you need.
Yeah. They're like, oh yeah, we're gonna have a late night too, because like our daughter's getting married, so.
Oh, perfect.
The USA jacket.